Winter might be cold and gray, but there's a plant that refuses to be outshined. Meet the Camellia Japonica, the jewel of winter gardens and a symbol of timeless beauty.
Hi everyone, welcome to NatureWise Insights. Today we're diving deep into one of the most elegant plants you can grow, Camellia Japonica. From its fascinating history to its ideal growing conditions, plus a few surprising uses, you're about to see why this plant is so special, so let's get started.
The Camellia Japonica, also known as the Japanese Camellia, is native to Japan, Korea, and parts of China. Its history goes back thousands of years. In Japan it's called tsubaki, and it holds deep cultural significance. You'll find it featured in traditional art, poetry, and even tea ceremonies. When Portuguese missionaries arrived in Japan during the 16th century, they fell in love with these blooms and introduced them to Europe. By the 18th century, the camellia became a status symbol among European aristocrats, adorning their gardens and even inspiring the famous novel, The Lady of the Camellias, by Alexandre Dumas.
So, what does it take to grow this queen of winter blooms? Let's talk climate and soil.
Camellia japonica thrives in mild, temperate climates, preferring USDA zones 7 to 9. It loves the dappled shade of woodlands but can tolerate morning sun if it's not too harsh. When it comes to soil, camellias are picky. They demand well-drained, acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Think loose, rich soil with plenty of organic matter, like compost or leaf mold.
Pro tip, never plant your camellia too deep and always mulch around the base to keep the roots cool and moist.
Did you know Camellia japonica isn't just a pretty face? Its leaves are rich in antioxidants and have been used to brew teas in its native regions. But that's not all. Camellia oil, often extracted from the seeds of its cousin, Camellia oleifera, is a prized ingredient in skincare. It's packed with vitamins and is known to hydrate and protect the skin. Some even call it the secret of the geisha.
Now for some fun facts about Camellia japonica that might surprise you. Camellias are often called the roses of winter because they bloom when most plants are dormant. In Victorian England, giving a camellia flower was a way to say you're adorable. Perfect for romance, right? Some varieties of Camellia japonica live for hundreds of years. In fact, the oldest known camellia in the world is over 500 years old and still blooms annually in China. These plants are not just beautiful, they're survivors. Camellias have been known to handle light snow and frost, making them ideal for winter gardens.
There are thousands of cultivars of Camellia japonica, each more breathtaking than the last. From pure white blooms like Alba plana to deep crimson varieties like black tie, there's a camellia for every garden aesthetic. Some even have striking variegated patterns that look like they've been hand-painted.
So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Camellia japonica is a plant worth adding to your collection. It's elegant, low maintenance, and a real showstopper during the coldest months of the year.
Ready to bring a touch of timeless beauty to your garden? Drop us a comment with your favorite variety of camellia or questions about growing them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant stories. Thank you for watching.